What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Pixel 6a. That's right, and I have a case here from a company called Spigen. I want to thank Spigen for sending this out. This is the Ultra Hybrid clear case, as you can see here in all its glory. It's a clear case. Beautiful. Comes in some packaging. You got to rip off the stickers and all that good stuff, but I did that already. I was testing it out, so you don't have to worry about seeing all that in the video. Now the Pixel 6a has that beautiful, I got the chalk white, and this thing is an absolute beauty, as you can see. So in order to show off the beauty, or if you have the sage or the black, whatever your preference is, you can get this ultra hybrid beautiful case. Now this is made of some pretty good plastic here, but it does have some reinforced sides here, so you do get some good what do you call it, cushion technology. It's called air cushion technology. So if it falls, it has some cushion here. You got the great buttons here on the side for your power and volume up and down, holes for your mic and your Type-C cable and speakers. You got some Spigen brand in there. Looks pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here so you guys can kind of get a feel of what it looks like. Shout out to BG Tech Life. He's up on the Telegram right now, shouting out to people. And this looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Pause for the thumbnail. There we go. Ha ha ha. But you do get some good protection here on the camera bar here, so that you don't have to worry about if you lay it down on its back. Also the lip, you do get some pretty good protection here on the lip, on the edges. Good reinforcement on the sides here. Very, very grippy, not very how do you say it, slippery. So, and the buttons work really good on here. The power on and off, there like so, and then you got your volume up and down, so you have no issues there. But this is actually a really good case. I really do like this case a lot, and it shows off the chalk white, or if you have the sage green, or if you got the charcoal black, it's going to complement your Pixel 6a. And this one is a very affordable case. As you can see here, it's for $15.99. I'll leave some links down in the description so you guys can pick this up from Amazon, and it'll be there in a couple days. You know how they get down. They're pretty quick with their shipments, depending where you're at. But this is definitely a hot case. I love the air cushion technology that it has, and I love the clear case on here. So, ooh. Matching there a little bit. We matching, yeah, we matching with the watch. But yeah, if you guys want to pick this up, drop down in the description. If you got any comments on any cases that you like me to check out, let me know for the Pixel 6a. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cases for this phone. And subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and get notified when great videos like this come out. So that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. That is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. Peace.